What's up, YouTube? So you may not be a diagnostic technician or very familiar with using a code reader. So if you're in the market for a used car or a pre-owned car or any car, the most important thing you can do is buy a code reader that will tell you if it has the readiness monitors in an easy format. So this one you just plug in and it tells you all these green lights mean that this is good to go, meaning the codes haven't been cleared and all the monitors have been through a drive cycle and are complete, and there's no stored or pending codes. This is a good sign, but ultimately doesn't mean that you're out of the woods. Some of these cars can still have a problem, and they call it ducking the monitors. And what happens is it'll take a certain amount of miles past the readiness monitor drive cycle to log an error or a code. So typically this means you're good to go, that there's no hidden tricks or codes. Sometimes people clear the codes and replace the battery, and can sometimes falsify that there is a problem even though that there isn't. It just means when these lights are flashing or all red, that a drive cycle monitor is incomplete and the story is inconclusive. But if you got all green, you can rest assured at that point in time everything's okay. Doesn't mean shortly thereafter that you may or may not get a code. It's very possible. But if you're just dabbling in, you're a mechanic and you have a code reader, and you want to, try and protect yourself and educate yourself better. I consider myself an educator as well. These things can be useful. Thanks for watching. Stay with us.